Wait, you're cooking my crab? Mylo sat on the carpet, building the most amazing ocean world. He added swishy green seaweed, bumpy gray rocks, and tiny fish that looked like they were zooming through the water. Right in the middle, he placed his favorite piece, a big, bright red crab with shiny, snappy claws. "My crab needs the perfect home," Mylo said proudly. Just then, Noah wandered over and crouched beside him. "Whoa, that crab is huge," Noah said, eyes wide. "Can I use it?" Mylo looked up carefully. "Are you going to build something for it?" Noah paused, then shook his head. "Nope." Mylo blinked. "Nope," he repeated. Noah grinned. "I'm going to cook it," he said. "It's yummy." Before Mylo could even say, "Wait!" Noah scooped up the crab and marched off to the drama center. Clomp, clomp, clomp! Mylo jumped to his feet and followed fast. "Noah, that's not what crabs are for." But it was too late. Noah had already placed the crab into a toy pot, plopped it onto the pretend stove, and turned the knob with a very serious chef face. Click! He grabbed a spoon and began to stir. Stir, stir, stir. Needs flavor," Noah said. Mylo stared in shock. "Wait, what?" he gasped. Noah lifted the spoon high like a real chef and declared, "Crab soup is ready!" Mylo froze for 1 second, then suddenly, they both burst out laughing.